Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that how we can use timelines in project MS Project and what is actually a timeline. So friend, let's just start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. Friend, timelines basically, first of all, we have to understand that MS Project is a very popular and a very well known software for project management, and we use this software for making the project plans. It's a product of Microsoft, and timelines is one of the feature in the Microsoft project. Now, what is actually timeline? Basically, timeline is used for communication and presentation, and you can say for status reporting. We generally use this feature of timeline. Now, what is the timeline feature here? In the View tab, there is an option of timeline. Just click on that. Okay, so this is the timeline. Okay, here it is the starting date, and here it is the finish date. See, basically just for the just considering the timelines, just considering the duration of a project, we have already entered a project plan of a software like planning, software development, quality assurance, user acceptance testing, and production deployment. It's a very short and a very high level project plan we have already entered, and these are the dates in the project plan. 1st August to 2nd August. Okay, so basically timeline is showing the duration, starting date, and the finishing date of a project. Now what you can do, like for example, you can enter a task in the timeline. For example, right click here on the task. Here is an option of add to timeline. Okay, so see, this task has been added in the timeline. Now you can also add another task, like on the right click here, and in the add to timeline, okay, this option. Okay, so see, this task has also been added in the timeline. Now if you want to remove it from the timeline, okay, and double click on that, okay, so this task has been removed. Now remember that there is no option to there is no specific option of removing the task from the timeline. You just have to double click or reuse the option, so it will be removed from here. Okay, now there is another option is available, like if you want to view the whole resource, the timeline, so right click here. Here is the option of timeline here. Okay, click on that. See, this is showing you the timeline as per. Now in the timeline view, there is an option of format here. Just click on that. Now see, if you want to change the color, font, bold, italic, so many options, text style, so many options are available. Let me show you one option here. Like for example, if I click here, so see, the color of the timeline has been changed. So you can use so many options like bold, italic, text style. So many options are available which you can use it and accordingly. There is another option available, existing task. If you click on that, it is showing you the existing tasks of the project plan, like planning, software development. If I click here on the planning, okay, so see, the planning task has been added in the timeline. Also you can enter the existing task here. So what you have to do, this will be a new task, and you have to enter the name of the task, and you have to set other like predecessor, other notes, custom field, etc. You have to enter it, and in that way you can add a new task here as well. Okay, other options are available, like the call out task. Friend, the call out task is a very important task here. Like if you click here, okay, it will, you can add another task here. Now what is the difference between a task and the call out task? Basically friend, call out task means that it will be shown outside the timeline. For example, if I click here, and there is an option of display as call out. If I click on that, see, it will be shown outside the timeline. So if you want to show the task outside the timeline, so you can use this as well. Okay, okay, so I have removed it again. Also another option is available as milestone. We know that milestone is basically a task which is of zero duration, and this is a task which is very important and it is a specific event in the project, so that is called as the milestone in the project. So from this option you can use the milestone as well in the project and mention in the timeline as well. Okay. From the copy timeline, the copy timeline is basically means that there are three options are available for email, for presentation, and the full size. Like for example, you want to email someone, or you can use it for presentation purpose as well, so you can use it the timeline as well. Okay friend, then if you go in the taskbar, so here is then option, uh, those so many options are available. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with the friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.